So I wanted a little cinematic movement, just a little bit, nothing fancy, just to make a few points, just to add some something. And I just wanted to mix it up a little bit. The problem, I'm operating the camera and I'm in front of the camera. The solution? My daughter's scooter. This scooter right here, baby. This is the one. Not the most conventional idea, but it worked. Okay, so here's how I did this. I used the GorillaPod to wrap my camera around the handlebars. Oh, and I should mention this lens. This is just a Panasonic zoom lens, and it has image stabilization on it. That's why I used it. So anytime I had something moving, I used that. If the camera was gonna bounce a little bit. Also, I shot in slow motion and then sped it up in post to steady out the shakes. Tie a rope around the scooter. That's actually a dog leash, I think. Push it away, pull it back. Push it away, pull it back. Over and over and over again until you get the shot you want. And this is how it turned out.
How can you be so sure? What if it's not as it seems?
'Cause it's not. But you gotta watch the film to find out what I'm talking about. Go check out the full film, link below, I think. I'm gonna try to link it. I don't know how to actually link anything. Next, I think we'll stay with this theme of movement. I'll show you a few more tricks. Watch the film, thumbs up, Instagram. I gotta go.